Folks, Mac T back, and I have some vent visors. That's right, bought some in channels. I'm going to install them on the Lulu Bell here, and then also on my wife's FORDEDGE. But first we're going to open the box to see what I got. Thinking it was about time I did something like this, so we're going to go ahead and see what these are. Not a sponsor, but these are AVS. I bought these, and it comes in a pretty neat little kit. Put the link down below for Amazon. Go ahead and cut the plastic on it around here so we can see what we got. And we have the two passenger side fittings here, and then of course, as always, for the rear doors, and then this is for the front doors, two of them. So we're going to go ahead and fit these things in here and see how they fit, and then we're going to install them. They're in channel, so hopefully it's not a big ordeal. What do they give you in the package? Let's see. Oh, one alcohol wipe for each window. So you got 4 of them here, and then the instructions from AVS on how to actually set these up. So go ahead and read the instructions. It's pretty simple. You just got to make sure you do it. But cleaning is the big part, and then of course weighting. So for the adhesive to stick good. But we're going to go ahead, set that off to the side, and we're going to start the installation. Well, first things first, you got to make sure you orientate this the right way. The bend and the AVS will go up at the door, and they basically just fit right back and slide right in. So all you have to do is just slide them in there. Now, you got to get them to stick. That's the big part, getting them to stick. And by doing that, what you got to do is peel off this red tape right here. So the first thing you got to do to get this done is open up your little alcohol swab, because you want to get all that dirt and everything in here. Keep in mind they give you about 2 square inches of alcohol swab here, so good luck on that one. They don't give you a whole lot on here, but you want to clean that all up. Look at that, one little piece right here. Mine's pretty dirty. You want to clean this, make sure it all gets nice and clean, and as you can see, holy guacamole, look at that. That's pretty dirty, but anyway, we got it nice and clean, so we're going to go ahead and install this. And everything that I read is you want to essentially try to peel this back just a little bit. Little red tape right here, you want to peel that back so it's sticking down a little bit, and then you just take it and you slide it up in here like so, holding it, and then you merely zip it out of place and you stick it in there nice and tight. Now we got to roll the window up. That's the next thing we have to do. So you get in here, you roll the window up. Now you got to be real careful when you're doing this. Hold on to that, because it catches right in here, so you got to make sure it don't catch, and it will go down if it detects anything. So once you get it up in there, now it's in that channel. The glass is forcing it in. The glass is going to make sure it sits. Now you got to let this sit for about 24 to 48 hours, depending on what the temperature is. So we're going to let this sit in here with the windows up. got it all stuck in there good. So we'll just let that set, and hopefully it's all seated in and we don't have a problem. So we're going to go do the other ones real quick and get it all done. It's that simple. MacT here, and that is as simple as it gets. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say, in all sorts of different formats. But the AVS, you could do this. I did 2 cars in like 10 minutes. It doesn't take long at all. So I got Blueberry here done, Lou's done. Leave the windows up for a good day. Run the AC instead. But keep in mind that this part here is very hot in the sun, so you might get your fingers a little toasty. But it went in, snapped in, it ain't snapping, it's just stuck in. But jury's out. Got a little bit of a catch here when you first put them in, because they want to slide down and the window catches. And to keep in mind that if it feels resistant, the window will come back down. No problem, just inch it up. And once it gets settled in there, it gets about 24-48 hours in, it should go up and down pretty simple. But that's it, folks. MACTFORDEDGE. Remember, like, join, subscribe, Facebook, YouTube, and also MACT Garage, Facebook, YouTube. And Band of One's got some great music for you. My feet hit the floor today, so I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day. And Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners, maybe a little bit of bonus footage of me doing some regular maintenance.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Girl production.